Are you a non-US citizen looking to start a dropshipping business in the land of endless opportunities, and you're not sure how to navigate the legalities and set up your business? Well, get ready to discover the secrets of dropshipping in the USA. In this video, we guide you through the essential steps to kickstart your dropshipping journey on American soil, even if you're not a US citizen. Remember, this is just a very basic guide and overview of how dropshipping in the USA for non-US citizens works. If you want a complete and detailed guide about this, please check all the links in our description. Let's dive in. Why should non-US citizens consider dropshipping in the USA? 3 words: market size, consumer demand, and trust. With its massive population and a culture of online shopping, the USA offers an unparalleled customer base for your dropshipping business. How do we know dropshipping is still worth it in the USA? Well, the USA e-commerce market is booming, with projected sales skyrocketing from $925 billion to over $1.4 trillion by 2027. Even Google Trends confirms it. The interest in dropshipping is booming. Now, let's address the first crucial question on your mind. What about the legal side and tax requirements? Now, before you can begin selling in the USA, it's crucial to incorporate your company. Why, you ask? Well, there are 3 main reasons. Reason number 1. You need to receive payments from customers. Payment processors like Stripe, PayPal, and others require you to have an incorporated company to work with them. It adds credibility and trust to your business. Reason number 2. Top suppliers work only with companies. If you want to partner with reliable suppliers offering high-quality products and substantial discounts, incorporating a company is a must. And reason number 3. Building a sustainable and scalable business requires proper legal compliance. By registering your company and paying taxes, you ensure you're on the right side of the law and set yourself up for long-term success. To learn more about how to incorporate a company in the USA as a non-US citizen, check out our video, How to Set Up a Company in the US for Your Dropshipping Business. You'll find the link in the description below. Once you've incorporated your company, it's time to build your dropshipping business in the USA. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First things first, you need to pick a catchy name for your online store and then buy a domain for it. How to find a great name? Well, you can start with Google search to find a name that aligns with your niche and also make sure your domain name is available. Websites like GoDaddy and Namecheap can help you secure your domain. Now, after you do all these, you can start working on a professional logo that represents your brand. You can find freelancers on platforms like Fiverr to design a logo quickly and affordably. Don't forget to set up a business email address using services like Google Workspace or Microsoft 365. A dedicated business email adds a touch of professionalism to your communication. For a detailed tutorial on creating a Google business email, be sure to check out this tutorial video, link in the description below. Let's move on to step 2. Set up your online store. Now, building an amazing, user-friendly, and secure e-commerce store is essential. That's why you should choose e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, or BigCommerce. Not sure about which platform to choose? We recommend Shopify or WooCommerce, as both will give you all the necessary tools to create an awesome e-commerce store. From great themes to tools for customizing your design, adding your domain, managing inventory, taking and shipping orders, receiving payment, and more. For more on Shopify versus WooCommerce, check out our blog, link in the description below. It's time to choose the right payment methods. That's step 3. Start with researching the most popular payment methods used by customers in the USA. According to Statista, these are the most common online payment methods by type in the USA. And among the most popular payment gateways in the USA are PayPal, Stripe, Square, or Adyen. Step 4 is to select the appropriate sales channels to showcase and sell your products. Consider platforms like Google Shopping, Facebook, or custom channels, depending on your target audience and marketing goals. Now the last and most important step is step 5. You need to choose the right products for dropshipping in the USA. Look for unique, high-quality products that solve a problem or offer a wow factor. Avoid products with advertising restrictions, ensuring you can market them effectively. For more tips on selecting winning products, you can also check out our article, linked in the description below. Now, product research is not as simple as it sounds. Why? Well, first, you need to make sure you have selected the right niche for your store. But hey, that's a whole other video. Then you also need to ensure there is enough demand for those products. And very importantly, you need to find reliable domestic suppliers who can ship fast and offer solid return policies. On top of everything, they also need to offer good enough pricing, giving you at least a 15 to 20% profit margin. The fact that you are a non-US citizen and want to dropship in the USA won't make this product research step easier. And getting approved by a good domestic supplier is a complicated process too. However, incorporating your business in the USA and setting your backend properly will help you avoid a lot of issues. Just follow the process, have a strategy in place, apply it step by step, and you will succeed as many others before you. And there you have it, aspiring dropshippers. The beginner's guide to dropshipping in the USA as a non-US citizen. So, you start by choosing your store name and domain, create the logo and a business email address. Then you build your online store on platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Next, you have to choose the best payment methods and the right sales channels, and finish with picking those winning products. And remember, incorporating your company, setting up your online store, and selecting the right products are crucial steps for success in the USA. If you liked this video and don't want to miss out on more content like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And learn more on the steps to follow to incorporate your company in the USA as a non-US citizen by clicking on the video on the screen. Stay tuned for more videos to help you grow your dropshipping business. Thanks for watching and happy dropshipping!